Talk about how can you find purchase on your Tandem app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on purchase here, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you find purchase in this list here. So that's all you have to do here to find all this purchase here. So that's all. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So in here, when you find here, can you get here? So just click in this sign here to get it here in this list to take you to choose or add dates here in this list here from your Tandem here in this list on your Tandem app here. So just switch it to open video, and here can you select your futures purchase shoulder here in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.